nneɛma bebree ɛwɔ hɔ na munni machi mede member fa so maako nene mwankasa mbehunu mani so ade no mahunu so kwa man ye wade oye. You are all welcome to Stone City. Follow me. Kwani ba said ye kan ye no okrasi ni medema ba bedu Stone City no emu an ye we na ontimi medu Stone City a omma Stone City gate esa akra na yete said we asa aka kuma wan se kire wano no na me kire we ase afa na nyina na tourists all over the world say this very place is a unique site, a features made of rocks, and I'll tell you, it's not only rocks you see, this also have economic activity that goes on like farming. You see onions. For those who haven't seen onion farm, pepper farm and others, you come and you see that this great land has got awesome things to show you. Obekaya bra near Tisofa rocks no so I make sure say ye be hwe ye ni so ade na to ani hwe wiem na ye say kurobi foforo nwanwaso obi ne yekom obedu ye nso se wahunu say abo nko meboa abo na efe yi na onua de me pese me kire wiase afa na nyina say obi bia tall groups, tall companies monfa ma hoho mra na mo mehwe kuroi na mo hwa anwanwade a ye wo ye befa sa kwanya we nso asa asre Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Road and Highways. Ye kase se tourism koso okwan wo kuroi mu a Stone City a the only city so you Rock City wo kowa the next city in Kwa is Stone City. Na ye kwan enye no se yaya maya megie di se tourism befa na ntuma pafra na hanko ampo edi sika bebre bebro man no. Enti we de meda okwa man TV ase sama maya kwanya ni enso atimi akakakra afa Stone City ho ni e freedom say won fa wani mehwe na nipa pii wo ha ubehunu Stone City Palace ewo ho eye cave waterfalls enso wo hana enso na anto this year nti na ayese de yare nti uduru ha bibi bia wo ubetimi aplan o camping a no nkrofo beba abe campaign wo site mu ayam bonfire night. There is a lot to do here. And a lot of opportunities too are here because restaurants and others can also spring forth. So we are calling, come and see for yourself the wonders of nature. It is spectacular.
Abuza for sabre min saka papa ba ko am pese min twetwe nkomo na gya ye fra o sen na eden na onim fa eboe ho. Apani me da se pa kwa we wade eboe be si ho no yemfie petepete pepe nyakopon obu wi ase na wo ho. The minimum one say a boa, I was say a macro funa, and I see we are some money in a bahon. We are boy, us in a back some pa, or caught the same crown, or have be a independent square one. A subway pepe. Now, so we no acquire see be a yen sheep punity and a hunisano. They me assure Yakupon the day, a bah, said a boy in the Missia, a bonny effect.